Guys, I just made $2,000 selling print-on-demand products on my TikTok shop, brand new TikTok shop. Let me show you real quick. These are my payouts. I'm waiting for $2,000 to show up on my bank account. This is a brand new account on TikTok. It's a print-on-demand account. I connected my Printify account to it, and I'm selling t-shirts. And there's a very specific reason why this store is being so successful and it's printing money really fast, because I'm doing live streams, which is something that nobody in the print-on-demand is really doing. There's only like a couple of people that actually are doing it, but I don't even think there are tutorials on YouTube how to do it. There's literally nothing. You won't find anything, any information on it. So this is like a brand new stuff if you want to learn it. But who knows how long this video is going to last, because TikTok is about to get banned in a week and we still don't know if this is like 100% ban or like a 50% ban. We're still waiting for the confirmation. But anyway, let's assume that TikTok is going to stay here and you can do TikTok shop, or maybe you live in a country where TikTok is not going to be banned, which is not the US, but like Ireland or somewhere in Asia. You can do this. And in this video, I'm going to show you what I did in order to generate that money. I'm going to give you the stats, and I'm gonna give you tips on how to do this and how to find a design that works very well. I only have 8 listings on this store, so it's not about the amount of listings you need to have. It's all about just having one good list and then just do the live streams. I'm gonna show you how to find a good design, but when it comes to like technical stuff, like how to put the design on Printify, we're gonna skip that. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on technical stuff, let me know in the comment, just say the word tutorial. I'm gonna make my next video about it, but in this video, I wanna focus on like the high-level stuff and the general idea how this thing works. So let's get to it. So as I told you guys, I made $2,000 in the last week. So this is the last 7 days, right? We got 1,700. I got 19 orders today. And today I made 482. So when you combine this number with this number, you're gonna get that $2,000 that you just saw right here. Okay, that's the number coming from that. Now today I got 19 orders, and honestly I would get way more, but for some reason TikTok said that my live stream was inactive, and it's not true. I'm just a little bit worried now that they are kind of on my butt, and maybe they didn't like something that I said on my live stream, so I'm waiting for the violation to happen. I hope it's not gonna happen, but it's just weird that they ended my live stream. The live stream only lasted an hour, and yeah, we got 19 orders. And if you look at the stats, you can see where my views are coming from. Okay, so most of my views are coming from the linked account. That's my account, the TikTok account that's connected to my TikTok shop where I do the live streams. Okay, so as you can see, if I click on live and video, a lot of money is coming from that. Okay, 400, 600, 300, 500, like all the money is coming pretty much from my live streams. I got some orders that come from outside live streams, like my videos and stuff like that, but most of it comes from my live streams, and that's where all the money is coming from. And if you're interested in making money with TikTok shop and TikTok affiliate, I recommend you guys check out my website called dropshipping.com. And I just added a really cool feature to the community that I want to show you. So that feature is called a TikTok affiliate app. And what that is you can get higher commission as a TikTok affiliate for your product. So for example, this shoes, normally their commission is $10, but with our link, you can get 12% commission. So you can earn more money. Same with this tablet. Normally it's 8% commission, but you can get 12% from us. This one is a very popular ice nugget machine. Normal is 11, ours is 14. And there's no catch. You don't need to sign up for any agency or anything like that. But in fact, we are working with an agency. We're working with the second biggest agency on TikTok. And they give us the most popular items on TikTok shop because they can see it in their backend. You can see it too if you go to the TikTok affiliate page, if you have a shop, or if you go to Calendar, you can see what products are the trendy ones. But anyway, I tell them like, hey, can you give me this, this, and this commission, higher commission for my members of my community? And they're like, yeah, sure. Right now we have the top selling products that you can promote as a TikTok affiliate and get the higher commission, no obligation. You just click on the link, add it, boom, and you have it on your showcase. On the top of that, we have weekly meetings, we have courses, we have more stuff. Go to dropshipping.com to learn all the benefits. But I'm just really proud about the TikTok affiliate app because it's really cool. You can get a lot of products, very popular products like this. This is how I made my money, guys. But the neck massager thing, dude, this was so popular. You can get 18% commission with our link. Okay, normal is 11. We got more stuff like all the top selling products right now. I bought this one. I really like this one. Go check it out. But let's continue with our video. Okay, so as I said, I only have 8 products on my TikTok shop. So this is my TikTok shop. I use Printify for my print-on-demand products, and I use their t-shirts. So Printify is that cool that they have a catalog of TikTok eligible only designs, right? And they can ship it really fast. So I have a bunch of orders I need to approve. And once I approve them, usually Printify makes them within a day and ships them really fast automatically. And I don't have to fulfill any orders on TikTok. They everything is smooth, everything is automatic, which is really, really cool. I'm gonna have a link for Printify if you guys want to use it, but it's a print-on-demand service. They have tons of stuff. You can connect your TikTok shop with Printify, and they have tons of products that work really well with TikTok shop. But again, what I went with are the t-shirts. I went with this one that cost $7. And since I got my product, now I just had to figure out the design, right? And then the thing with the design is that the Valentine's are around the corner. I'm recording this video on January 10th or 11th, 12th. Actually, it's January 12th. Never mind. I know the Valentine's are around the corner. So I was like, okay, let me create like a t-shirt that's perfect for like Valentine's so people can buy as a gift and stuff like that, right? And I didn't want to design anything because I've been selling on Etsy and I have successful stores on Etsy and I can use AI and I know how to use AI, but I was like, I don't want to deal with that. I just want something popular that sells right away. I just want to focus on selling, not designing or anything like that. So what I did is I went on Etsy and you can just buy people's designs on Etsy. So you can just type in Etsy Valentine t-shirt design. And I didn't even look like a product research tool. I usually use Everbee for this type of stuff, but literally what I did, I was just looking up for popular designs like this one says popular now or popular now, bestseller. So I would just click on something like this, okay? And it's like this Valentine's bow and there's a lot of people that buy it and I would just buy it myself. Literally, that's what I did. I was just looking for bestsellers on Etsy and I would look up what they are and just slap them on a t-shirt on Printify and then list this on TikTok. That's it. And I only have 8 designs. I only bought 8 designs and they're super cheap. This one's like $3, okay? Who cares? It's like super cheap. You can actually see if this is popular. So if you click on an add to cart, you can see that 10 people bought it in 24 hours. That's a lot. That's a lot. So this is popular. People would love it. You can buy those. But once you have that confirmed, just slap it on the t-shirt and get to the juicy part, which is the live streaming. So if you have a TikTok shop, you don't need to have 1,000 followers on your TikTok account to do live streams. You can do it with 0. And the account I was using it had 0 followers, 0 videos, 0 nothing. And I was able to do the live stream. So what I did, I put all the items from my store, which is the 8 t-shirts that I designed. And I only ordered 1 sample, okay? So I only wanted to order 1 sample from my Printify store just to have something to show because you need to have the product physically in your hand. So I had my t-shirt in my hand, just like this. And this is where the real sauce comes in, okay? So during my live streams, the first minutes are the most important one because during the first minutes, that's how you determine the traffic coming to your live streams. So what I did, and this is crucial, guys, I set up a flash sale and I would sell my t-shirt for $1. I would sell 2 of those for $1 and this would drive insane amount of traffic. Even though I would lose money on those 2 first orders, I got 300, 500 views non-stop. I would get 300 shares on my live streams. I'm not even kidding. It's insane trick to get a lot of people to follow you and to watch your live streams because they think, oh my God, they're giving it for $1. Maybe they're gonna do another one and they just stay in. Okay, they're locked in. And then once you have their attention and you get people coming in, all you have to do is just talk about the deal, okay? So offer some coupons. I had the coupon on set up on my store. They would get $5 off and I would just nonstop talk about it. Guys, want to get $5 off? Click on the coupon icon. We got them in all colors, black, white, navy blue, pink, gray, whatever you want it. We got them small, medium, large, XL, double XLR. Just click on the yellow card. That's it. And I'll do this for an hour, okay? And people would go nuts. And occasionally I would do these flash sales too, but not the $1 one. I would just give like a 20-25% discount or something like that. You need to be strategic with your pricing so you can do this type of flash sales. But the flash sales are crazy. And here's the thing about the flash sales. If you do TikTok affiliate, right? You don't really control flash sales. That's the seller part. So when you're a seller, you can control this and you can figure out what to do, right? TikTok affiliate, you don't have that control unless seller gives you that control. That's very rare. Like, let's face it, they are very, very strategic with this and they usually don't allow affiliates to do flash sales. You need to have a good relationship with them. But as a seller, you can do whatever you want. You can set up flash sales left and right and you can sell stuff for $1 just to bring people in. And this is better than spending money on ads because I don't know, it's just like on organic traffic. People go nuts. People go insane for a $1 item. I'm giving you a huge sauce right now. So drop a like, guys. Drop a like right now because this is the biggest tip that I can give you, okay? And that would drive people insane. Seriously, that would drive people insane. They will come in and just go crazy. Every live stream I will make like $400, $600, $300 in sales within the last week. And I'll be only doing this live streams for an hour. So, and I didn't do it every day. I only did it 4 times. So I worked 4 hours, made $2,000 in sales. So my profit at like $600 for 4 hours of work. Guys, again, join our community, go to dropshippingguild.com, get the higher commission on your products. Okay, we're gonna give you higher commission on the most popular products. You can also request products. If there's a specific products you want to see, go join us. You're gonna get access to our course. We've got TikTok affiliate course, Etsy course, TikTok dropshipping course, eBay course. Okay, we got a community on Discord, active community. Okay, we meet every week and talk about Etsy and TikTok. Those are the number 2 things that I make money with. So come join our community, learn how to make money with these platforms. And I'm sure I'm gonna have more content on the TikTok affiliate, print on demand stuff. But that's all I have for you today. Please drop a like, share this with everyone that you know want to make money with print on demand on TikTok. Hopefully TikTok is not gonna get banned. I hope it's gonna stay here. But that's it. Adios, my friend. Boom.